Okay, we got this all cleaned up now. You can actually touch it and not get dirty.
Well, I wouldn't go that far,
Okay.
but you're not going to be good.
You don't get filthy,
You're not gonna
filthy,
get
filthy
gooed.
dirty. You only get semi-dirty. Okay. Until you find a spot that you missed, which is probably right there where the mount is. So we have to pull the regulator off.
Regulator.
So looks like that's a 1/4 inch or 7/16 nut on top. What's underneath?
It's on a stud.
Was that your stud?
On a stud. Stud muffin.
7/16, sir. These are the old tools, not the good stuff that we bought. You bought. Where's your fancy ratchet at? What are you using those nasty ratchets for? Those are all 3/8 drive though. No 1/4. Appears to be tight. You trying to break my ratchet?
Did I break that?
You're trying to.
We're going to have to get a little bit larger than this.
We're going to have to go to a 3/8 hardware. This is not 1/4 drive material here. Appears to be torqued accordingly. I got some bigger tools. You got no 7/16 over there? Break it free of that if we have to. A little screwdriver.
Unplug this.
There's some cables in the way.
Oh, child.
Is it hitting on the crossbar over there maybe?
Just this held in there.
Yeah, clear now. Can't rotate it up. You just get the bracket. It's enough. They're all exposed over here. Are there nuts underneath for the 1/2 inch? There should be.
Yeah, there's nuts underneath.
Or 3/8, whatever those are. Okay. What size socket you want? 9 or for 1/2? One of these two.
Probably 5/8.
5/8. Oh, this had those big flange nuts under there?
Yeah. Definitely looks bigger than mine. It's bigger than mine.
One of these. And most of them, not all of them. Probably one I didn't bring.
That's the winner right there.
Yeah, loose, what is that?
Them 16.
Let's try a 5/8. Except that's not a 5/8, it's the same size. 5/8 a fork nut, fork bolt.
Nope.
Okay. You missed the spot, it's sturdy. Seems pretty loose. Nothing metric. Unzip it.
Don't say that. I use the metric one around here. Am I spinning?
Probably. You can't see it. No, I can't see it where I'm at. Let me get up here and see it though. Oh, it's going to spin. It's a bolt.
There
9/16. See, when I'm locking that pretty tight. These have real long bolts on too, didn't they? If I remember. You know, zip gun goes a lot quicker. If it'll fit. Might have to get a stubby socket.
This side.
I'm good. Ah, let's get balls. There it goes. Finger tight. And the other one's going to be a 5/8 on top. And what's underneath? Got a big socket here. Which size is it?
You're not getting in there with the socket real tight. Just take it off.
Oh, that's 9/16. What's the bottom? Same?
No, the bottom's big.
Bigger than these?
Yeah, it's it's too big. Use this thing. Yep.
Same one again?
Yep.
All three the same. Makes it easy. Use the breaker bar to pop it. But, yeah, whatever. Look at that rubber. It's all biscuited out. Yeah, we got to jack this motor up somehow. Oh, that's me. You're pushing the bolt all the way through the wrench up there. Hold on, I'll get you back on there. So we're on it. Long ass bolt.
Okay. Off. Barely comes out of there.
Yeah. Now the motor's sitting on the stand under here. So if you just pull the top motor mount off, or the motor mount off the motor there, you got access. Excuse me. I gotta get that thing out of there.
Just all we gotta do is snip those and unplug it. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know why we keep fucking fighting.
I need to get rid of it. We need access because I gotta pull that triangle plate out for the motor mount. Go ahead and get it out of the way. Alright, we're not using any of these tools.
able to move things, I believe.
That's good right there. Perfect.
Okay, so we need to pull those two bolts now too.
Pull this bolt out, that drops the link, and then we need to get in here. Probably deal with a wrench, the box wrench right there, and just go until they can't do anymore. Is there a nut underneath the? I think there's a nut on there, but you can't
Yeah,
get to
that's
it.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
Remember that was really tight. We fought them last time.
Yeah, I remember. Otherwise, we have to figure out some way of lifting the motor up, which would be really hard to do. A lot of weight. Can probably go up a little bit with weight tension, but if we got some blocks underneath the motor under there, we'll probably pick it up with the tire end in the front a little bit. And see if you got, put some piece of wood underneath the motor and the jack under there.
Your dogs don't know how to listen.
Oh well.